Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asi. I am from English Education Department and I'm semester 4A, and now I would like to explain about analysis of code switching in English speaking class of English Education Department. The definition of code switching. Code switching is one of the phenomenon of language which occurs in societies to make the communication more effective and meaningful. Code switching is the use of more than one language variety or style by a speaker within an utterance or discourse, or between different interlocutors or situations. Opinion by Romain. Code switching. When two or more languages are in use in one single conversation side by side and express an authentic from both of basic language. The practice of alternating between two or more languages or varieties of language in conversation. So, code switching is two or more languages that are used when speaking in an English class, such as English with Indonesian, Indonesian with English, and English with Arabic or Arabic with English, like that. Next. Okay, for example of code switching. Lecturer, what is difference between intransitive and transitive? Student, membutuhkan objek dan tidak membutuhkan objek, sir. Lecturer, mana yang tidak membutuhkan objek? Okay, so from example of code switching, lecturer and student use code switching between English with Indonesian. Okay, there are types of code switching: text switching, intra-word switching, intersentential switching, intra-sentential switching. Okay, text switching. It occurs at end of a sentence with question. Example: it is a nice weather, China. Okay, intra-word switching. A change occurs within word. Example: tensito. Intersentential switching. When change takes place at the end of a clause or sentence and two different sentences will be in two different languages but topic will be the same. Example: ini lagu lama tahun 60-an. It's all this but goodies, they say. Intrasentential switching. A change occurs within a clause or sentence. Example: Eto let Kenu. Okay. There are factors the use of code switching. The first, linguistic factors. The second, factors involve or specialization of the speech partner. And the third, speech partner language factor. And the fourth, class situation factors. And the last, factors influencing non-standard language structure. Okay. Using code switching in the classroom. Code switching can be used by lecturers by integrating it into the activities used to teach a second language, by having students get in fire and switch language at predetermined points in conversations. It helps them to learn each other's language. Function of lecturer code switching. The function of lecturer code switching are known as topic switch, effective functions, and repetitive functions. And functions of students code switching. The function of code switching for students are known as equivalence, floor holding, reiteration, and conflict control. Okay, enough for my presentation about analysis of code switching in speaking class. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.